Hey guys, I want to just come on here real quick and show you a quick recipe of how to make elderberry syrup for the winter. This is a real good recipe as well to be doing during this time and to have on handy. So, what I have in my pot right now, I have a half a lemon, I have a half a stick of ginger with the peel on. I put some cinnamon in here as well, and a cup of elderberry. I put a half a cup of cinnamon in there, and of course a cup of elderberry, and then I put 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna let this come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I'm gonna turn it down to a low heat, let it simmer for about an hour. Once it simmers for an hour, I'm going to then strain it in my strainer, and then I'm going to pour it into whatever. You can pour it in your mason jar or any container that you have on hand. You can pour your elderberry syrup in there. Like I said, this is a good remedy to do during the winter. So I'll let you see the finished product after I'm done, so you'll know what to do after it is finished simmering. Alright, y'all.